In my last video, I told you how I went from 59 kg to 82 kgs in just 4 months. This was no coincidence or luck. I spent significant amount of time working out, planning and researching of exercises that actually works. Today, I'll reveal some of these secrets, so get ready for it. When I first started gym, I started with full body workout to grow strength and overall development of my body. After 1 month, I went straight to push-pull leg split. I found that this is the best split that works for me, giving enough time for me to recover while maintaining that resistance. In today's video, we'll talk about more specific push day of this split, which is chest and triceps. Push day includes shoulder as well, but I like to do shoulder on a separate day for 2 reasons. First, I've got a weak shoulder, and second, if I do shoulder on the same day, it's too much of compound exercises for me. You might be wondering, what should you do? Everybody is different, so as long as you are not feeling burnt out, you can absolutely do shoulder on the same day. Another thing is, a lot of people focuses too much on chest exercises, and many times I've seen that chest is overdeveloped muscle compared to rest of the body. What I want you guys to do is focus on all part of the body while starting out, especially your triceps. You have to remember, tricep makes a significant portion of arms volume. In fact, tricep is a large muscle on the back of upper limb. It is composed of 3 heads: the lateral head, the medial head, and the long head. Together, these heads contribute to overall size and the shape of the arms. When well developed, tricep can add substantial mass to the back of your arms, complementing your biceps and giving you that gigantic look. Alright, let's start with chest exercises. I always like to do 3 exercises, 3 to 4 sets of each exercises, and 8 to 12 reps per exercises. And I do chest exercises twice a week. That means I usually do 6 chest exercises per week. You don't need to do more than that. Like triceps, chests are made out of 3 main parts as well: upper chest, middle chest, and lower chest. If you do 6 exercises for chest per week, you can hit all of these 2 times a week. I think you might have already guessed. The first exercises we're gonna do for chest exercise is bench press. Bench press is the foundation of good chest. Now, this exercise doesn't necessarily hit a specific part of the chest, but work on all of them simultaneously. This is why bench press is so effective. Now you have to do 3 sets of exercise, 6 to 8 reps, and it doesn't count a warm-up set. When I say 8 reps, it has to be actually working reps. Now, what do I mean by working reps? You start counting your reps when you start to feel on your chest. If you still have energy after 8 reps, you are doing it wrong, and none of your previous reps counts, so you start over again. Now, second exercise for chest is incline bench press. Now, this exercise effectively works on your upper body strength, mostly on your upper chest, shoulders, and arms. One of the very important chest exercise. Same thing, 3 sets, 6 to 8 reps. Remember not to arc your back too much or thrust your head forward. Few things to remember. Always ask your trainer for a guide when you are starting out. Second thing, always start with empty barbell to know the correct technique. Third thing, inhale as you lower the bar and exhale as you push the bar up. Third and final exercise gonna be dips, one of my favorite exercise to do for lower chest. Now, there is no specific amount of sets or reps you need to do for this exercise. I usually try to do as much as I can, and usually until I can't physically do anymore. There is few things to remember for this exercise. You need to lean forward slightly as you lower your body so that your elbows doesn't flare out. If you don't, it will work on your triceps more than your lower chest. Now it's time for a triceps exercise and how you can get a good triceps. I forgot to mention something before. The chest exercises we did before was not just for chest. It works on some part of triceps as well. So that means you don't need to do same amount of specific tricep exercises. I usually try to do just 2. First exercise that is most effective for your tricep is lying tricep curl with easy bar extension. If I had to choose only one exercise for my arms for the rest of my life, it would be this exercise. This killer tricep variation is great exercise to employ heavy weight for progressive overload and is safe for the elbow and the wrist when using an easy bar. As before, we'll do 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Please like and subscribe if you are finding this video useful. Second and last exercise for the tricep is tricep push down. Another great exercise. This exercise fully extends the elbow position, which helps to get muscle activation in the medial head of the triceps. Alright, that's all the exercises I want you guys to do for triceps and chest day. Before you go, you might be wondering what made me change my lifestyle and habits in just last 30 days. I have made a separate video to explain that. Click here to watch that. Alright, that's all. See you next week.